Let me tell you the truth. I almost gave up on app development. Clients wanted everything perfect. UI should look world class, features like Instagram but custom. Time only 15 days. Budget, it was always tight, always tight. I was stressed, overworked and always behind. But then I found a better way. I discovered AI, and what happened next changed everything for me. I used to spend 4 hours just planning features, 3 days building wireframes, another week waiting for design approvals. Then came development, bugs, deployment, testing. Every step felt like a mountain for me. One day I thought there must be a smarter way to build apps, and that's when I started using AI, not for fun, not for hype, but to actually solve real problems. Step 1. Understanding what the app should do. I started using ChatGPT like a smart friend. I would ask, "Hi, what features should a student app have?" And in 10 seconds, I had user flow, ideas, pain points. It was like having a business analyst sitting next to me, always ready. Step 2. Designing the app. Earlier, I would open Figma and feel blank. Now I use Magician plugin or even Galileo AI. I just typed login screen for school app with modern UI and boom, design appears. If I want to tweak it, I ask again, listens to me. Step 3. Turning design into real code. Earlier, I waited days for frontend to start, and now I just export Figma files into DhiWise. It gives me clean React or Flutter code in minutes. I save time. Step 4. Writing smarter code. While writing backend, I open GitHub Copilot. It's like a smart coder who suggests code, write functions, and even explain logic. I don't copy paste from Google anymore. I ask Copilot, write API to store feedback, and it gives me 80% done code. Even small logic becomes smooth. Step 5. Testing without pain. Earlier, testing was boring, manually, time wasting. Now I ask ChatGPT to write test cases. I use TestTim for AI-based testing flows. It records, repeats, finds bugs automatically. Fewer crashes, happier clients. Step 6. Launching with peace of mind. Before AI, deployment was crazy. Now, GitHub Actions plus ChatGPT help me to automate it. I ask AI to write Docker files, CI and scripts. One command equals to my app is live. Step 7. Maintenance is no more panic nowadays. When something breaks, Sentry plus LogRocket show me the issue with a full screen recording. AI tells me why it broke. I fix it fast. No angry calls, but smooth fixes. One client wanted a school app in 15 days. UI plus login plus student dashboard plus messaging. We used all these tools. ChatGPT for front, Figma plus Magician for design, DhiWise for frontend, Firebase plus Copilot for back, and Sentry for errors. We finished in 12 days. Client said this feels premium, but the truth is it was smart, not trust. All thanks to AI. AI is not here to replace developers. It's here to empower us, make us faster, smarter, more creative, and the best part, you don't need to be an expert. Just ask questions. Let the tool guide you. If you are a founder, developer, or a startup owner and you feel stuck in your app journey, comment below what kind of app you are building. I'll reply with AI tools that can help you. And if you want a free strategic call, DM me. Let's build smarter together. Like, share and subscribe, because your next app idea deserves an AI powered future. I did not become a smarter overnight. I just stopped doing everything alone and started building with AI.